Gotcha. Okay.
Today we're just doing competitions for a program called Skills USA.
My freshman year, I thought about Skills USA. I'm like, hey, I'm not part of any clubs. I gotta join something, so I joined SHOP. And that ended up carrying me to a national level where I took #2 in the country. So now I'm back here to reclaim my title.
Students are showcasing all their leadership stuff. Job skills demo is basically them taking a skill that they have learned in the classroom and applying it to show judges.
It's about showing your technical skills and proving that you know what you're doing.
My learning targets for you today is first, I want you to be able to understand the concept of a conduit and its implications.
I was showing someone how to use an AED, also known as an automated external defibrillator. And I was basically teaching someone when someone's having a heart attack and it can be potentially fatal, how to save their life.
I did small engine valve flash, so I demonstrated how to adjust and measure and adjust valve flash on a small engine, so like any lawnmower engine.
I'm going to present how I bandage a dog's paw in case of emergency.
I took this carburetor top head off, then talked about the floats, the bowl, and the needle.
We have job interview, which is obviously very important for any job that they try to get outside of here. Customer service, which is huge. We have Les Schwab actually here that is running that station. What better to have industry sitting inside that competition?
One was a phone caller and 2 were regular customers. One was nice, but one was a little bit angry. And I got to sort of speak to them and then to navigate how I can work out the problems.
It's important for the students to be able to see those partnerships from industry because they're the ones that are going to be hiring them.
Resume building and like interviewing and all that kind of stuff. And we're learning a trade. So when we're going into industry, that trade will be really useful.
It's not how you get there, it's who you know in a lot of scenarios. So if you've shaken his hand and put your face right there and he sees your name again on a piece of paper that you're trying to apply, he'll probably hire you over someone that just gave us a piece of paper.
I think it's really special that our community and the companies around us can come together and support students coming up in this trades, health, and really good environment just to bring us into the industry. I think it's a really cool route to get into a job with such hard markets nowadays. I just think it's really amazing that businesses want to actually help us become great employees and ready for the America of today.